This is the box of the Galaxy A50s. You can see the S branding right here. Also, the phone's name is mentioned on one side. At the back, there's some key specifications mentioned. We'll get to those in a bit. Let's first start the unboxing. So the first thing we are greeted with is the phone itself, wrapped neatly in plastic. Let's take it out and boot it up. On the right, you can see the volume and power buttons are located. On the left is the SIM tray. The bottom houses a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port and a single speaker grill, while the top accommodates a single microphone. This is the Prism Crush black color variant that we have with us. Now let's keep this aside for the moment and check what else do we get. So there's a charging brick, a pair of earphones, and a USB Type-C cable. We have also got a sleeve that's hidden over here. At the back, it has the SIM eject tool. Inside it, we get your usual set of documents. And finally, a soft TPU case to protect the phone from scuffs and scratches. And here's a quick look at everything that you get inside the box of the Samsung Galaxy A50s. The Samsung Galaxy A50s sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The notch at the top of the screen holds the 32-megapixel front camera and has a very prominent chin at the bottom. There's an in-display fingerprint sensor that Samsung calls on-screen fingerprint for secure authentication. The Galaxy A50s is powered by the Exynos 9611 processor and comes in two RAM configurations, 4GB and 6GB. Inbuilt storage remains the same on both the variants at 128GB, which is expandable up to 512GB with a microSD card. The smartphone runs on One UI 1.5 based on Android 9 Pie and comes with a 4000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging support. In terms of optics, the Galaxy A50s is equipped with a triple rear camera setup comprising of a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The cameras come with features such as a night mode, super steady video and a live camera.